Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the hue in Capcut. So what's a hue? Actually, changing the hue allows us to shift the color values of our video, a process that can drastically change the emotional impact of our videos. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Capcut app. Now, create a new project or edit your existing project. I'll choose my existing project. And now, to change the hue, simply select your video. And if we scroll to the right on the bottom menu, you'll see our option Adjust. Simply click on it. Again, we'll have to scroll in the editing menu until we see the hue option. Once you find the hue option, click on it. And now you can choose what kind of hue you want in your video. For example, I like this hue in my video. It gives a cinematic look. So I'll simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have changed the hue in our video in Capcut. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.